This facial steamer sauna is perfect for a pampering spa day at home. Got a few minutes to yourself? Pamper time. So grab that bathrobe, slippers, and a glass of wine, ladies. You will love this steamer. Not only does it produce nano ionic steam particles, it also moisturizes, cleanses, and detoxifies your skin. Can you imagine getting a cucumber steam? The wonderful effects your skin will feel? Our patent technology includes a compartment that can be used for tea leaves, rosebuds, dried fruits and veggies, as well as fresh fruits and veggies. You know what's good for your skin, so give it a go and enjoy the results. This high-quality nano ionic facial steamer is our one-of-a-kind steamer that can be used with any organic leaves from tea leaves, fresh flowers, dry flowers, fruits, or herbs. Included is a small compartment made specifically for organic material. Steam run time runs about 8 to 10 minutes per fill. Parts include the HM003 steamer, with 110V/50-60 Hz power adapter, steamer cone, detachable for gentle cleaning, as well as attaching the organic material cup, water tub, and the organic material cup. The organic material cup attaches to the steamer cone from the bottom. The organic material cup has grooves that must align to the groove placements in the steamer cone. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.